All right, y'all, welcome back. I have not vlogged in so long, but I'm back with the vlog. What's today's date? The 13th? Okay, so today is October 13th. Just in case I post this tomorrow, I'm recording it today, October 13th. 14th. October 14th. So it might go up today or it might go up tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. But basically, it is, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 8 o'clock. Let's see. Actually, it's 7:44. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna make some dinner. I just got finished like taking pictures. I did like a little video, just like a lot of stuff I needed to post today. So I did that. I initially wanted to film an H&M try on haul, but I'm gonna probably post this up sometime this week. So I did that, and yeah, I just been like really trying to get a lot of stuff done, trying to stay on task because I've been like so unorganized. I've been extremely unorganized. But anyway, before I start rambling on, I'm about to cook some dinner and then I'm gonna make some drinks, and yeah, we're gonna see what else happens in a few. So stay tuned. Welcome back, welcome to the vlogs. We about to start kicking off the vlogs again. I'm gonna try and start doing like weekly vlogs if I could remember to take out the camera, but I don't like posting vlogs all the time because if I don't do nothing exciting, I feel like it's kind of boring. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. And my blush is like looking hella dramatic. Good God. But whatever, let's get started. I'm gonna show y'all the end result of the food. I probably won't show y'all me cooking it, but I'm gonna show y'all how everything looks towards the end. Stay tuned, and we're gonna make some drinks and stuff together. Okay guys, so I completely forgot I was vlogging, to be quite honest with you, but let me show you guys what I made so far. I made this drink right here. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all like the ingredients and how to make it. All right, so I made this drink right here, but you know, if you want it like regular, put lemonade, the Jack Daniels, and then ginger ale. That's it. And then if you want to, you know, make it decorative, you're gonna put some lemon slices in there. And then I don't know what this is. This is something. This is some tequila, some cranberry juice, and just like some raspberry lemonade and ginger ale and a little grenadine. And let's see how it tastes. I'll put the camera on myself so y'all can see. It's good, but it's strong. It's definitely strong. It's good though. But yeah, I'm still cooking. The food is still honestly not done, so I really haven't been on camera because the food isn't done. But once the food is finished, I'm gonna come back on. I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks, see how dinner is looking. I haven't like okay, we're about to play, what's the game? What did I say it's called? Heads up?
No,
heads up. No, it's heads up. Why is it 11:35 and my children are still up? Don't judge me. They are like not trying to go to sleep.
Hey guys.
Alright, so we're gonna play heads up. We're gonna play on little teams and we're gonna see who wins.
I know I'm gonna win.
I better win.
She do a prank on me.
Who, your mom? Like what?
Hey guys.
We gotta think of something
Show
quick.
me. Hey guys.
When? No, tonight would be the perfect time while she's lit. We're trying to play a prank.
I don't know what to think of.
I don't know.
Where's the priest?
I don't know. She thinks something happened to him. I said, your brother is 32 years old. Nothing can happen to him. Why does she think something happened to my cousin? She's like, what did she say?
I was there.
She's recording a vlog.
I am vlogging.
Alright, am I going to be in the vlog?
Mom,
I don't want people to see you.
why do you have to cover the camera for?
Because y'all don't need y'all in the vlog. We coming.
What, you think it starts
Chris, I can't see. Chris, I can't see. Come close. I can't see. You know I'm blind. Oh, what are we doing every day?
Corona made you do what?
6 feet.
Keep the what?
Distance.
I forgot that was for social distance.
She just said distance.
retarded.
Now the opposite of white.
And then I give them.
What's my favorite color?
Huh?
What's my favorite color? What's the color that's in the house all the time?
Opposite of purple.
Okay.
Yeah.
The opposite of purple.
Black pink.
Yeah.
That's somebody rose up. You must be retarded. That's somebody rose up. That's
That's why I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are
This
gonna
is
do
you are getting excited.
You don't know my favorite color?
You're
It's
slow.
pink.
I can tell you that.
That's somebody raised
Slow.
the right
Put
color.
that on camera.
My turn now. Because everyone is retarded. I will show you.
I say they.
All right, we ended this vlog. It was a complete fail, so we're gonna come back again and vlog again later. Yeah, see our little crazy game night, and that's it. Later. All right, y'all. So it is a new day, and we are about to go. Oh, my glasses look hella crooked. Okay, we about to go to Walmart. Cameron, come on. We're going to Walmart and we're gonna get some stuff, see what we get into. So I wanted to finish vlogging.
See you at 25.
Come close the door. I wanted to finish vlogging, so I'm gonna post last night, our game night, and then like what's happening, what we're doing today. So off to Walmart we go. Ow, shit. Why was she parked so close? I just hit my leg and it hurt so bad. Alright, off to Homegoods. First stop. What do you guys think of this? For the door. I like this one, but the other one goes with the door better. I'm into pumpkins. Pumpkins is like my scene. Something pumpkin.
You got hangers too?
Those are kids' hangers. You didn't see black ones?
It's for me.
You phone.
But did you see black ones? Oh, I'm coming. Look at these. I want a room spray. Preferably something that smells cinnamony, a pumpkin. Wait, my phone? Hold on.
I want to get up, please.
Okay, hold on. Preferably cinnamon, pumpkin-y or something, which I don't see, so I might wait for Walmart. I was thinking about buying these. I'm like really into essential oils, but these are diffusers. These ones are essential oils, cinnamon, peppermint, orange. But let's see what we find in Walmart. Get in there now. We came in here to get nothing. We came in here honestly to look around, and look at this. I want you to see this. We got this card right here, focus. This card right here full of stuff at the bottom. We have this card over here full of stuff, and then she wants to get this right here. This is really pretty though.
So beautiful.
And we still need to go to Walmart and get food. That was the purpose of this trip, was to go to Walmart and get food. It is almost 1 o'clock, so Walmart is gonna be super crowded. I need to go. I can't be spending all this money with her.
I have to get this.
You're not in the camera. You're like dying to be seen.
I have to get this.
What do we think? This is really pretty though. It is pretty.
I'm getting it. I'm sorry.
Okay, this is our last thing. We're walking out the door. Alright y'all, so I just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, enjoyed like my little game night, meeting some of my family, seeing my kids and stuff, and yeah, following me around at Homegoods. I did go into Walmart, but Walmart was honestly crowded, so I didn't really have the chance to like take you guys in Walmart with me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as tell me, give me some ideas. I guess there's some things I can do, like maybe I can even do like a date night type of thing. If you live in New York or Long Island, give me some places I could go like on a date with my man. Give me some ideas or whatever. But yeah, so vlogs are coming back, y'all. I don't know if I mentioned, but I am gonna get back to trying to vlog at least once a week, getting like a weekly vlog back up here. So stay tuned. We're trying to start prepping for Vlogmas, getting back in the groove and the mood of things for Vlogmas, which is coming up. So yeah, and also don't, you know, if y'all see this outfit in another video, okay, don't come for me, but I'm about to get ready to film my H&M try on haul. So until then, I'll see you guys later mamas.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause